Welcome back to Math Dogs. If you're new to the channel, please comment, like, and subscribe. If you have any questions, please comment down below. Problem number 3 says 30 minus 3x equals 9x minus 6. So we'll go through our 4-step plan. There are no fractions in the problem, so eliminate fraction step 1 is done. Both sides are already simplified, so step 2, simplify each side, 30 minus 3x and 9x minus 6 is done. Now I'm going to add opposites in order to isolate my variable terms on one side and my number terms on the other side. I have two choices. I can either add 3x to both sides, which is the opposite of negative 3x, or I can add negative 9x to both sides, which is the opposite of 9x. I like to keep my variable terms positive to reduce the errors. If I add 3x to both sides, I'll get 12x on the right side. So that's my choice to add. When I do that, negative 3x plus 3x is 0. 0 plus 30 is 30 on the left side of the equation. 9x plus 3x is 12x minus 6. Now I have my variable terms almost isolated, but I have a negative 6 on the right-hand side. So I still have to add the opposite of negative 6, which is positive 6, to both sides in order to get the 12x by itself. 30 plus 6 is 36. Negative 6 plus 6 is 0. 0 plus 12x is 12x. Now I can move on to my 4th step. Divide by the coefficient on the variable term, which is 12. So I'm going to divide both sides by 12. 36 divided by 12 is 3. 12 divided by 12 is 1x, and therefore 3 equals x.